To make a transparent material in Blender compatible with Cycles, first make sure to be using the Cycles render engine. In Render Properties, set the render engine to Cycles. Next, ensure objects are UV unwrapped and image assigned in UV editing. Then in Material Properties, add or assign a material. Click New to populate the material instance if not already available. Switch to Shading Workspace and in the Node Editor, add an Image Texture node to the default Principled BSDF and Material Output nodes. To this, assign the image that's to be visible. Click Open or Browse Image to be linked to select and load. Then link Color Output to Base Color Input. To this group, add a transparent BSDF node and Mix Shader. Connect the BSDF outputs of both transparent BSDF and principled BSDF to the Mix Shader via the Shader inputs. Then connect its shader output to the Material Output node via its Surface input. Finally, in Material Properties, access Viewport Display and under Settings, enable a blend mode, typically Alpha Blend, Alpha Clip, or Alpha Hashed.